If you want to update apps on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, we have two main ways to do so. You can go to the Play Store, and if you of course have a Google account, then you should be able to tap on it here in the upper right corner, and then you can go to Manage Apps and Device. And then over here, if you have new updates, then you will see information over here that you can update your apps, or you can tap on the option itself to check if you have any updates in here. There's also check for updates button, and also you can search for a specific app to see if you have an update. You will find an update button over there as well, if of course there is any. And in addition to that, you can also use the Galaxy Store app instead. And over here, you can tap on the menu in the bottom right corner, and here we have the updates option. And here you can update most of the Samsung apps, of course, so you might need to actually use both apps from time to time to make sure that your apps are up to date. In my case, unfortunately, it seems that the app is very slow right now, but there we go. And as you can see here, we can tap on these buttons to update individually, or you can just tap on update all. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.